John Deere GX345 with 20 kawi. Stalls after running short time, will run on choke for a short time after that. Fuel pump replaced, lines blown out, new filter, tank vent clean, fuel shutoff solenoid checked, found good, then finally bypassed completely, carb bowl off and cleaned, will restart if fuel dumped down the carb. The tractor did run good for a few weeks after the fuel pump was replaced, but then back to the old problem.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Full-size image. Number 10 is the fuel suction pipe in the tank. Have you removed it and checked it for splits and for debris in the tube? You mentioned float bowl. Have you removed the carburetor and done a through cleaning? The needle valve port can get debris in it and the float can stick. Also, the main jet in the carburetor can be plugged or have debris from the old fuel solenoid. I assume you have removed the solenoid and it is no longer in the carburetor. Let me know, we can go from here. Thank you.
Yes, the solenoid was just removed altogether. Needle valve was cleaned and the float was checked and set.
How about the suction tube in the tank?
All lines have been blown out and tank free of debris.
Have you ran it out of a separate container with test line attached to the in-hose connection on the fuel pump?
I have not, but I will try that.
That eliminates the complete fuel suction system.
No offense, but you're giving me the high school shop class suggestions to diagnose a fuel starvation problem. This is a common problem with the 345 with this engine. What I am looking for is a John Deere tech that has a cure to the inherent problem to this model. Your answers are not worth payment, at least to me. Thanks.
We never know a person's expertise, so we try to give basic instruction. If it offends you, I'm sorry. I made a living around engines for over 40 years and try to give advice. I will opt out and see if anyone else can help. Please do not respond to me or it will lock your question. Good luck on finding your problem. Hello, thank you for using JustAnswer.com. My name is. I will be happy to assist you with your concern today. One thing I always wish to try and do is let you know if something comes up and I am not able to reply back right away, but this is sometimes something I cannot avoid. I will always try to reply back to you right away. However, please understand that I may be busy answering another customer back, and thus it may sometimes take time to reply back to you. As soon as I return, I will be sure to reply back to you as soon as I am able to. If you are getting fuel to the carb and good flow unrestricted, this means that there is either an air leak in the cylinder or carb base, carb needs to be rebuilt/replaced, or compression issue. Those are the only things based on the info you have provided. Now, if you are not getting fuel to the carb when it will not start, then it is a fuel delivery problem. I have seen problems like this caused by debris in the tank that only go in the line when after running for a little while. Thus, I usually remove and clean the tank and fuel lines to eliminate that as the problem. Thanks, Joe. Have you checked the above?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.